Hi, Heather Watson here from acorn30, here today to talk to you about claiming your Google My Business listing. What's the listing? You've seen it. We've all seen it before, where you've gone online to search a local business to find out their hours or phone numbers, and it shows up right there on the side box. You don't even have to click on anything. It just presents that information. But the question is, have you taken the time to make sure that that information is properly representative of your business? The good news is it's super simple to do and it's free. And it's important to make sure that Google knows who you are, because if Google doesn't know who you are, neither do your customers. The very first thing that you need to do is go to google.com/business. Once you're there, you can type in your business name and it will ask you, is this you? Click yes if it is you, and there's a whole bunch of information that they're going to want. But it's not tricky. This is stuff that you already know. Your address, your hours of operation, your web address, photos of your place, videos of your place if you have them. It's not all necessary that you do it all at once, but the more information that you populate, the more information your customers will have in determining whether or not to do business with you. So you fill out all of that information. They will go through a verification process, either electronically, by phone, or even by mail, to make sure that you are actually the owner of that business. And then voila, you are online on Google My Business. So now when customers search for you, they will be able to find the detailed information that they're looking for. And don't forget, once you've claimed that information, keep it up to date. If your hours change, you go from summer to winter hours, go back in and update those hours so that people aren't showing up when you're closed, or people think you're closed when you're open. That's all today. Again, I'm Heather Watson at acorn30. If you're interested in learning more about working with us or want to subscribe to more updates, then you can visit acorn30.com.